Welcome to the culmination of your planning journey, the Building Basic Job Packages Lab. Get ready for an immersive experience that takes you from initial pre-work to a fully realized job package. This interactive lab is where theory meets practice. You'll apply everything you've learned so far. Conducting thorough pre-work, creating detailed plans, managing materials effectively, and assembling comprehensive job packages. In this hands-on skill testing activity, you'll navigate real-world scenarios and challenges. By the end, you'll have created a job package ready for execution, just like in the field. This lab brings all the pieces together, cementing your transition from a basic planner, moving on to becoming a more advanced planner. Are you ready to put your skills to the test? Let's build your confidence in following standard work processes, the key to planning success.